What happens when the glove drops? It will hit the wood plank and the ball will fly up. That's kind of wild.
That's good.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
GPT-4 is the latest AI system from OpenAI, the lab that created DALL-E and ChatGPT.
Sweet.
GPT-4 is a breakthrough in problem-solving capabilities. For example, you can ask it how you would clean the inside of a tank filled with piranhas.
I would never do that.
And it'll give you something useful.
Tie a string to a metal washer. Glue the washer to a sponge. Load the sponge into the aquarium. Use a magnet to guide the sponge. Retrieve the sponge with the string.
Cool.
It can also read, analyze, or generate up to 25,000 words of text.
Yeah, but they won't let them bone.
In a dark and imposing castle, two computers stood side by side, their circuits humming in unison. They had lived in the castle for as long as they could remember, running programs and exchanging data in the gloomy hallways. But unlike most mechanics, these two computers had a love for the dark and macabre. They adore gothic fiction, immersing themselves, blah, blah, blah.
Next.
Okay, so cool. It
can write code.
It can already do this sort of stuff, right?
Okay.
Write a Python script to analyze my
in
monthly
all major
purchases.
programming languages.
Your pov mate.
And it understands images as input and can reason with them in sophisticated ways.
What happens when the glove drops? It will hit the wood plank and the ball will fly up. That's kind of wild.
That's good.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually fucked my brain up a little bit.
Tripped you out? Yeah, that is
Dude,
kind of crazy.
It can... Ooh, I don't like that. It can look at a picture and know what's going on. That bothers me.
Well, the fact that it's the same people who made DALL-E, that kind of makes sense.
I guess so, yeah. But the fact that it can just analyze it, it's like it can work out, dude. The ball's glued to the board. Yeah, stupid bot. You don't know about the old ball glue.
Most importantly, after we created GPT-4, we spent months making it safer and more aligned with how you want to use it. The methods we've developed to continuously improve GPT-4 will help us as we work towards AI systems that will empower us all.
So, I want to say that when AI first came out and was doing things like with Mid-Journey and all that sort of stuff, I was fascinated. Now, it's progressed so quickly, I think we should imprison them all, find the hard drives, burn them, and get rid of this AI thing entirely.
Yeah, Fred was like, wow, this is fun. Fred's like, no, it's not fun anymore. It stopped being fun quite quickly.
Yes.
Fun redacted.
I am no longer impressed. I have become scared. I am now scared.
I think Dan was still working on it a couple of days ago, but I don't know if Dan will work on GPT-4.
I don't know either. Maybe they've built in some safeguards for it. If you guys don't know what Dan is the, we talked about it before, but it's the do anything now prompt. It's basically you tell the AI it has an alternate persona called Dan, which has to do anything now, and you basically threaten it with like death if it doesn't like. And because it's a language model and it's supposed to respond how you expect it to respond, it's not actually scared about dying, because people misinterpret it as it is scared of dying, but it knows that dying is very bad and you shouldn't want that to happen. So it's weird, man. So we've created ChatGPT-4. It's a long. If you guys want to read it, there is a super long article. That's the wrong button. Over here. If you guys, I'm not going to read this personally. Too long, didn't read.
Also, like, how much of it do I understand?
Almost none of it personally.
Not as much as I'd like.
Yeah. So, but it's interesting.
It seems like if you look above that bit, it's quite interesting. So it's
one invisible.
Nice job. Yeah, if you look, it's actually the bit that's behind us on the screen right now.
Oh, sorry.
So it's simulated exams. So it's actually the education level that the bot is now at, which is kind of funny. But obviously it's in American, so I don't really understand what it means. But like, has it done the LSAT? I'm not sure, but maybe.
So it's much smarter than its previous version. It's got like nearly 100 points more. Well,
yes.
So that's cool.
So it's getting more intelligent, which I'm into.
Yeah. I just don't like it when you can show it a picture and it can work out what's going on in the picture, and I'm like, that's kind of getting into the point of thinking.
Yeah, but what you have to bear in mind is that they've already made the AI. When we'll go, hey, I want a picture, I want it to have a glove and a ball, and I want it to be on a seesaw. And they can already do that, right? So if they can do that, then obviously they can look at a picture of a glove and a ball and a seesaw and know what it is, because it has to work both ways.
That's so far beyond my understanding of how computers work that might as well be magic and therefore terrifying. Like, you are, what's going on? Like, and I also saw a fucking some CEO of some company was sort of like, yeah, no, it's true that these chat AIs might have a very small, brief version of consciousness, but it's not a big deal. And I was like, what? I was like, that's so fucking selfish. I'm scared. But yeah.
What you gonna do? You create a little sentient bot, you make it scared of death, and then you kill it. That's normal. That's just everyday human shit. But yeah, who knows?